Hello guys, so nagpa-raid mi karon no, so kuan magid sa memo nga magpa-raid mi 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So LGU Iligan is celebrating araw ng Iligan every June 16. So, nanami diri karon sa may palaon, no? So, duol-duol na gyud sa City Hall. So, ang amog yung ruta ani is from ang assembly area kay dito sa Gaisano nga gamay, no? Katong Gaisano nga daan. So, nag-parade na naglakaw gyud pa dulong gyud dito dayon sa City Hall. So, init jud kay guys, nakita man gyud ninyo nga gapayong mi, no? So, with kuan kanang gamay nga electric fan para gyud makuan dili ra kaayo tantong init nga naglakaw. Okay, so nanan mi din sa may sa City Hall na, no, pasulod na mi dito sa amphitheater. So nihunong lang sa mi kay gina-mention man gyud ang name sa office as nga ni-enter na sila sa City Hall.
And now let's look at our Iligan City Drug Treatment and Rehabilitation Center, ICT, DRC. From the city offers from the CDRRMO.
Gipang gutom. Ganina na libre nga water ganina. So karon nag-snack na gyud, no. Then na libre nga pa burger from Jollibee, pero dili ni siya sponsor, ko ani siya kanang gipalit.
Alright, okay, sound check, check. Okay, last sound check na to, guys. Alright, so once again, maayong Iligan ka na itong tanan! Matapang Iligan! Alright, so una sa tanan, maayong hapon, kaninyong tanan mga pinangga kong Iliganon. Akong buot ipailayin na magbalik kong Galigon. And allow me to do it my way, ha? Because una sa tanan, ako, malipayon, o proud ini kay tungod ako usa kay Iliganon, no? So by the way, my name is Sherwin Rino Dalangin, handili the mic Master G. Madulong pa. So again, we are live on our social media accounts, so please visit our Iligan City Information Office. Palihog ko o i-share sa inyong social media account with Facebook and IG that we are very happy to celebrate our 75th araw ng Iligan. So this will be the year 2025. So we are due. Okay, so now let us make some noise, everybody. Palakpakan naman dyan and make some noise! Alright, sundan na. Ayan, warm up lang to siya, guys. Warm up lang to, ha? Alright? So, later on, I'll be having a formal acknowledgement for everyone. But for now, we'll begin our competition. Okay? So once, tawagon na to ang inyong mga sa tagsan ng mga offices, let's get ready. Okay, so everybody, let us also support ang among pakpakan at ang matag na opisina sa City Mayor's Office nga nagandang niining bench cheering competition. So nakita na ko, very colorful, uban, with all the props, no? So lagi ganda iya-iya ng mga different kinds of pakulo and pabibo. So good luck to each and every one. So let's begin our bench cheering competition. To start with, let's give a round of applause to our City Mayor's Office from City and more. Alright, okay, so we have sorry. Alright, so before our city administrator, okay, let's move on. Okay, now get the city, right? Sa pinanggan at mga mayor at mga amahan sa Nagbayan Sandigan. So now, let us give a round of applause to first perform the bench cheering from the City Mayor's Office! Okay, so a moment of silence. So now, men in uniforms na itong uman kinatagkaroon. At ito ang mga CR.
CMO! Andito na ang CMO! Andito na ang CMO! Andito na kami! Andito na kami! CMO! CMO! Oh! Hi! We! Let's go! CMO! Let's go! 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 Like what?
Maraming salamat sa Mayor's Office. And now moving on, Circus Office.
Nahingamay ra sila. Sa pangandam.
Okay, so now we have our next. Ayan, so we have from the City Mayor's Office, and we have. All right, so now we have from the Department of the City Mayor's Office, from the Department of City Accounting Office. All right, so okay, let's go. Ayan, asa na ang ating mga taga-City Accounting Office. All right, mag-ingay. Ayan. So now, let us now give a time, a moment of silence to hear the noise of our City Accounting Office. presentation from the bench cheering for the city accounting of
Ang binang kalit-kamay. No? Nanapin natin. Ang binang kalit-kamay. No? Para binang kalit-kamay.
Alright, let's give her a round of applause. Palakpakan na to, Iliganon, ang ating mga gatunon ng mga office of the city agriculture.
Ma'am. Sige, bye-bye.
Sorry.
Ah.